Dear students, welcome to the world of chemistry. Chapter 4, Chemical Bonding and Molecular Structure. This is your e-content lesson number 7. Students, see the e-content lesson and learn well. Today, we can learn about an important topic, dipole moment and Fajans rule. Students, what is dipole moment? Before going to learn the concept dipole moment, I just ask a simple question. Can you give the example of polar and non-polar bond? Yes, in hydrogen molecule, HH bond is non-polar. What about HF bond? HF bond is polar bond. Then what is polar and non-polar bond? The pair of bonding electron is shared equally between two atoms. That is same electronegativity between two atoms. Such a bond it is known as non-polar bond. Example is hydrogen molecule HH bond, chlorine molecule Cl-Cl bond. What is polar bond? Here the pair of bonding electron is not shared equally between two atoms. That is dissimilar electronegativity between two atoms. Such a bond it is known as polar bond. In hydrogen fluoride, in HF bond, the fluorine is the most electronegative atom and acquires a negative charge. And this type of bond is known as polar bond. Students, who discovered dipole moment? Peter Debye. See the slide. Dipole moment is discovered by a famous Dutch chemist in 1936 for his work on X-ray diffraction and dipole moment. Can you define the term dipole moment? What is dipole moment? Dipole moment is defined as the product of magnitude of charge and distance between the centers of positive and negative charge. Dipole moment is represented by the letter mu. Mu is equal to charge q into distance of separation r. Student, calculate the dipole moment of beryllium difluoride. See the slide. The structure of beryllium difluoride is linear. Since the fluorine is the most electronegative element, it acquires a small negative charge in opposite direction. That is, two equal bond dipole in opposite direction cancel each other. Hence, the dipole moment of beryllium difluoride is 0. Then, what about the dipole moment of water? Students, see the slide. The structure of water is V-shaped due to the presence of two lone pair on the oxygen. Since oxygen is the second most electronegative element, it acquires a small negative charge. In water, the dipole moment in the same direction and it has a value plus 1.85 D. The dipole moment of NF3 is lower than NS3. Can you explain? Students, see the slide. In NS3, the dipole moment in same direction. Also, the central atom nitrogen has one lone pair and three bond pair. The shape of ammonia is pyramidal in shape due to the presence of one lone pair and the dipole moment in the same direction. What about in NF3? The lone pair of nitrogen in one direction and 3 NF bond in opposite direction. Since fluorine acquires a small negative charge. Sum of the dipole in NF3 is cancel each other. Hence, in NF3, the dipole moment is lower than NS3. Students, then we pass on to Fajans rules. What is Fajans rule? Greater the percentage of covalent character of ionic bond is discussed by Fajans rules. The main postulates of Fajans rules. 1. The smaller the size of cation and larger the size of anion, greater the covalent character and of the ionic bond. 2. Greater the charge on the cation, greater is the covalent character. That is, polarizing power is directly proportional to covalent character. Also, the polarizing power is inversely proportional to size of cation. That is, size of cation is smaller, greater the covalent character. That is polarizing power. What is Fajans rule? Smaller the size of cation, larger the size of anion, greater the charge on cation. Greater is the polarizing power and hence the greater the covalent character. Polarizing power is directly proportional to covalent character. Also, the polarizing power is inversely proportional to the size of cation. That is, size of cation is smaller, the polarizing power increases and hence the covalent character increases. What is polarizing power? The polarizing power is defined as the cation tendency to distort an anion. And third postulate of Fajans rule is transition metal is more polarizing power than noble gas, alkali metals or alkaline earth metals. Larger the anion, more will be the polarizability. What is the term polarizability? Polarizability is defined as the anion tendency to become polarized by the cation. What is polarizing power? Polarizing power is the cation ability to distort an anion. See the summary chart of Fajans rule. Differentiate ionic and covalent bond using Fajans rule. See the slide. In ionic bond, low charge on ion. In covalent bond, high charge on ion. Then large anion in ionic bond, small cation in covalent bond. Then small anion in ionic bond, large anion in covalent bond. In ionic bond attain noble gas configuration. In covalent bond, valence shell electron configuration with incomplete d or f subshell. These are the summary chart of Fajans rule. Students, then we can do an assignment. Give the increasing order of covalent character of sodium chloride, beryllium chloride, lithium chloride on the basis of Fajans rules. We know that the polarizing power is directly proportional to covalent character, which is inversely proportional to the size of atom. That is, order of size of cation is sodium Na plus is greater than lithium plus greater than beryllium 2 plus. Hence, increasing covalent character is sodium chloride less than lithium chloride less than beryllium chloride. That is, beryllium chloride is most covalent character. Thank you, students. Learn well. We will meet the next e-content lesson number 8. Thank you.